Third question, take people. Show that the chords of contact from the point 1, -2 to the circles x squared plus y squared plus 6y plus 5 equals 0 and x squared plus y squared plus 2x plus 8y plus 5 equals 0 are coincide. Right. From that. Now the external point is 1 minus 2. From there, we draw two tangents like this to the circle, like this. Now we can find chord of contact. Right? You can take that one how? Write this x squared as x into x, y squared as y into y. This 6y we write as 3 into 2y. 2y we write y plus y. Plus 5 equals 0 like this. 1 x we replace by this x coordinate, then we get x. 1y, y is minus 2y. Plus 3 times minus 2 plus 5 equals 0. Then we can simplify this. Here x, here 3y, here minus 2y, it's equal y. Here minus 6 and plus 5, it's minus 1 equals 0. This is the equation of chord of contact. Right. Another one given. Our second circle is this. Its equation is x squared plus y squared plus 2x plus 8y plus 5 equals 0. From the same point 1 minus 2, the two tangents are constructed. The chord of contact is this. Here also we can find it. X squared I can write as x into x, y squared as y into y, 2x as x plus x. 8y we can write 4 times 2y, that 2y we write y plus y, plus y equals 0, plus y equals 0, right? The 1x is replaced by this x coordinate, 1y by this y coordinate, then we get x minus 2y, 1 plus x, 4 minus 2 plus 1 equals 0. Then here x and x make 2x equal. Here 4y minus 2y is 2y. Right? Here we get minus 8 and here we get plus 6, then minus 2 equals 0. We can divide this by 2. X plus y minus 1 equals 0. See here the same equation we get. So therefore, the chords of contact coincide. From this point to this circle and from the same point to this circle, the chord of contact of the tangents drawn being the same. Therefore, the chord of contact coincide each other. Right. Next one asking, what's next one? Show also that there exists another point such that the chord of contact of the above circle being coincide. Another point. So not only this 1 minus 2, okay, 1 minus 2, not only this 1 minus 2, there is another point from which when we draw these three tangents and find the chord of contact for these two circles, that chords of contact will coincide. Okay. Now people, we do that question from the beginning like this. Right, I am going to take that point as x naught, y naught, right? Okay. And here also, I am going to that point as x naught, y naught. Now, I am taking this point as x naught, y naught. I am going to write the equation of this code of contact and the equation of this code of contact. Now the requirement is not equal. The two codes of contact must be coincide each other. Okay, then we have two equations for two codes of contact. But these two equations should represent single code of contact, only one code of contact. Two equations, but both represent the same line. So therefore, among that two, between the two equations of the lines people, they should have this property. What? The ratio of x coefficients, the ratio of y coefficients, the ratio of the constants of the equations of the lines must be equal. When two equations represent single line. Okay? Then thereby we can find out x naught, y naught. Right? We'll count that now. In this way, we can now do the new diagram. 1, I can write x naught, x, y naught, y 3 times, y naught plus y plus 5 equals 0. Then here I can write x naught x. Here and here people we have y. Take that y out, here y naught and here 3. Y naught, I am going to take y out, right? And here 3y. Another 3y naught, here we have plus 5 equals 0. Right? Say this is number 1. Correct, no? X naught x. Here we have y naught y and 3y. Take this y out, then we get y naught plus 3. Right, and this 3y naught and plus 5 we have there. Alright, now we can find the code of contact. This. Right. What we do is we substitute here x naught, x plus, y naught, y plus, x naught plus 6 plus 4 times, y naught plus y plus 5 equals 0. Right? I will take x naught, x terms together. Here we have x term, here we have x term. Take x out. X naught plus 1 times x. Now the y terms. Here we have y term, here we have y term. What do we get? Take that y term out. Y naught here, here. For y, that means y naught plus 4 times y. Now the constants. Here x naught is a constant. Here 4 times y naught is a constant. Plus 5 is a constant. Now 2. No? Right. Now this code of contact has the equation this. This code of contact has the equation this. Now we need these two codes of contacts to be same. Then this number 1 and this number 2 both should represent only one line. Therefore, the coefficients of x, the ratio of the coefficients of x, ratio of the coefficients of y, ratio of the constant terms in the equations of the lines should be equal. Right? Then write down like this. When the equations 1 and 2 represent the same code of contact, We can write it this way. X naught plus 1, here x coefficient, divided by x naught. Y naught plus 4 divided by here y naught plus 3. Here x naught plus 4y naught plus 5 divided by here 3y naught plus 5. Now our aim is to find x naught and y naught. We have to form two equations, people. By equating these two, obtain one equation between x naught and y naught. Another two. Like this equation, this and this, so this and this. Obtain another two equations. Another equation involving x naught, y naught. Then there will be two equations. By solving them, you can find x naught, y naught. There will be two answers for x naught. Therefore, two answers for y naught. By one set of x naught, y naught, we get the previous point in the question 1 minus 2. Then other point going to be the other set of values of x naught, y naught. Right, people? Take that answer. Right, now I am going to equate these two. They are equated. X naught plus 1. Right, this is the first multiplication like this. Y naught plus 3 equals x naught times y naught plus 4. Right, there we get x naught y naught 3x naught by y naught plus 3 coming by contained by this 1. Here x naught y naught plus 4x naught x naught y naught you can cancel down. We'll take this terms to right hand side, people. Right. Then we get 4x naught minus 3x naught is x naught minus y naught equals to number 1. Right now, I took this to right hand side, y naught also to right hand side, kept this 3 the left hand side. This. Now, I take this equality. Or this and this also possible to take. Any two. Whichever you take, we get the same simplification. Right, I'll take the first and third equity. Equate first and third. X naught plus 1 divided by x naught and x naught plus y naught plus 5 divided by 3y naught plus 5. Now use cross multiplication this way. Right, and we'll simplify that. X naught plus 1 has to be y naught plus 5. And here we get x naught x squared 4x naught y naught plus 5x naught. Here we get 3x naught y naught plus 5x naught. Right now, 3x naught y naught plus 5x naught plus 3y naught plus 5. Right hand side. X naught squared plus 4x naught y naught plus 5x naught squared. These two you can cancel down. Right. Now you can bring all the terms to what left hand side. Then this 3x naught and this 4x naught y naught, they together minus x naught y naught. And here 3y naught plus 5 and minus x naught square equals 0. minus x naught square equals 0. Now people, I am going to substitute for this y naught by this number 1. Now by 1 subject y naught takes this side, y naught right hand side. Y naught equals x naught minus 3. X naught minus 3. Put that there. And you get quadratic equation in x naught, find two answers. Right, you get there. Here put minus x naught times y naught is x naught minus 3. 3 times y naught x naught minus 3. Minus x naught square equals 0. Here we get minus x naught square, over there we have another minus x naught square, minus 2 x naught square come. Here people we get 3 x naught square minus plus 1 3 x naught square and 3 x naught square 6 x naught square. And we get here people minus 9. But people, this 5, of course, not there, I must write that 5, no? Right, that 5 is there, plus 5 equals 0, plus 5 equals 0. So we get minus 2x naught plus 6x naught minus 4 equals 0. Divided by minus 2. We get x naught square minus 3 x naught plus 2 equals 0. You can factorize this. X naught minus 1, x naught minus 2. X naught is 1, x naught is 2. This x naught 1 means people, the previous point x coordinate. Then the other point should be given by x naught, should be given by 2. Okay? Therefore, x naught is 2. Then corresponding y value you can find people, putting that here. By 1, okay. When I put x naught here 2, 2 minus 3 minus 1, y naught minus 1, no? Y naught minus 1. X naught 2 means 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Right? So the other point is going to be 2 minus 1. Therefore, other point is 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. Right? That's how we take an answer.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it.